Joe from Spring wants some repiping advice.
Well, he's remodeling a home he bought back in 1983. Joe writes, the house has galvanized pipes, and he's thinking about PEX. I understand there's a system, though, he says, that cleans the pipes and then coats them internally. Sounds like a E-pipe to me.
Yeah, I'd say that's broad. TDT, they do have that. But if he's remodeling and he's gutting his house and remodeling the whole thing, I probably would repipe it because it's all opened up and it's a lot quicker to do and it's easy to do. But if you're not tearing the sheetrock out and you're not doing that extensive a remodel, then call TDT. But now either way, they can do it all.
I was going to say, you can call TDT either way.
That's right.
They do the repipe or they do the E-pipe.
And it might be a combination of both. Half the house doesn't get gutted, the other half gets gutted, that kind of thing.
And they can do that.
Yeah. So just talk to them about it and tell them about your plans and what you want to do. You can talk to other plumbers too and just get a bunch of ideas about what you want to do with all this. But eventually you'll make a good choice. But don't ignore the fact that can be done.
Right.
Because that's really important. It could save you some money and a lot of time.
To remodel and not take care of galvanized pipes would be a big mistake.
Oh, no, you want to, you're going to remodel?
Because the galvanized,
take care of it.
What I've learned from sitting next to you all these years is if we know one thing about galvanized pipes, they will fail.
And this is 83, I think you told me the year was. So that's the stuff that was coming in from overseas. Now, if it was 1962, that pipe is actually better, although it still needs to be rehabbed, but it didn't spring the leaks. The 80s pipe is the ones that were springing the leaks.
The ones that are coming from Asia and so on, they were like put together. They have a seam on them.
That's right.
And that's what fails.
It wasn't the old Pittsburgh steel.
Pittsburgh steel. No.
Yeah.
I remember when they had a football team, too. All right.
I think they won this weekend.
Did they? I don't know. I'm waiting for baseball. How many weeks till spring training?
Oh, no.
All right. You got a question? Go ahead and send it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom form, fill it out, send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.